Hello YouTube viewers. I've had this Mustang for over 6 months now and about 600 to 800 kilometers. And I already have to replace the batteries in my FOB keys. So that's right, you guessed it. Today's DIY project is how to replace the batteries in your FOB key. So I'll be replacing the old batteries with this Energizer 2025 lithium batteries, and hopefully these lithium batteries will last much longer. Here's my Mustang FOB key. It's very similar to other Ford vehicles, like the 2017 Ford Explorer. At the back of the key, you'll notice a small slot or tab. Using your thumbnail, press down on the slot and with your left index finger, pry open the seam. And there you go. You can see it open up. Noticed an extra manual key hidden inside the fob. You can remove the key for now. Notice the small slot. We'll be using a small coin, like a dime, to pry it open. So just twist it left and right a few times. Carefully wiggle it out, making sure that you don't break the two tabs at the end. Be patient and it will come out. And there you go. Now notice the two batteries. They sit on top of each other. Also notice the gel on the battery. That's used for better conductivity. With a small pry tool, carefully pry the first battery out. Now carefully move that paper divider to the side. CR 2025, and it says change both batteries. Now notice the position of the battery and pry the second battery out. Now remove the new batteries from its package so we can install it into our fab. Remove its protective tape, and once again, notice the position of the batteries before installing. Use that little metal guide to position your batteries. Return that protective divider into its place. Repeat that process with your second battery. Once again, notice the position of the battery. Now position those two ends with the two tabs. Now press together until you hear that click.
Okay.
Now install key back to its proper position. Now let's install the backing this side first. Then press down firmly until you hear the click. It's that simple. Now let's test out our FOB key. Works great. So if you like this video and you found it interesting, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.